Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEX Tech with the unboxing of ReCyko by GP. This is an overnight charger with two LED indications. Here we have all the specs on the box of this really cheap and cost-worthy purchase. Actually, this is a cheap two rechargeable batteries bundled with a charger. So here we have this green box like always with GP, and we'll just have to open it up and break these seals and check this product here because it charges both types, AAA and AA batteries. Of course, only two AA batteries are included, but still you get the charger for both types. You only have to buy rechargeable AAA ones. So okay, I'll just have to cut open these seals here. Here we have it. For not wasting any more time, you just have to poke this here and here and again here. They really mean it when they want to seal this box. So there we have it. We just have to open it up and take out the device itself. Now okay, we have to remove this one. Now there's a lot of plastic packaging here, but I guess you can save the environment by using the rechargeable batteries. So think greener. Now I'm just having to pull this out, but it seems to be glued or something on here. Or is there another seal? I don't think so. So let us press it out by force. Okay, it seems this is glued also here, so we just have to remove it. Something like no. Okay, that was it. There was another compartment here. Okay, now we have it. So there it is. It's coming out. Yes, okay. First of all, we have the manual. As you can see here, we have various languages, and you should just check this one for all the indications of the LEDs and the proper usage of this charger. So let's check the charger itself now. Let's pull this out, and it's still persisting. Is it glue on the bottom of it? I think so. I mean, it doesn't come out like that. Somehow it's stuck in there. Do they have a manual for unboxing this thing? I don't think so. So, okay, I'm really frustrated right now. And it doesn't come out. You know what? That's enough. I'm going all in from the bottom. I don't know at this point if GP just give it a lower price here just to make a prank of everyone who bought this one. And oh my god, it's gluing here. This bottom side is glued, so this won't come out easily and as expected if you don't open the bottom side of it. There we have it. Why you do that, GP, to your customers? Why wasting time on unboxing your product? So here we have the charger itself, that is of course protected with another plastic cap. Okay, here are the batteries. There are two AAA and another plastic cover for not contacting with the charger. These are some high capacity rechargeable batteries. As you can see here, they are already accessible, and you have on the back side a AAA compartment charging ports. You just have to place them here on top of the other AAA compartment. My main gripe is that you cannot charge 4 batteries at the same time, and only 2 of different types, and you plug it on a wall socket and it charges once you place the batteries. And it seems we have nothing else in the box. All this for nothing. Now, apart from these gripes, my verdict is that you should just buy this one. It's really cheap, it's handy. You can easily add 2 more battery types. So this was the unboxing. Feel free to subscribe, give us a like, and as always from ADEX Tech, thank you for watching. bye.